This video explains how to create the user group manager using permissions to perform the actions selected for the specific role. To create any new security role, navigate to Users and select Roles and Permissions. Click the New Role button. Enter the role name, an external ID used to synchronize user roles with other systems, and a description, which is an optional field as well. The first permission, which allows the user to log in, will always be automatically selected. Now find the section called Permission Groups. There are a few combinations. If you select permission 23, the group manager will be able to access groups, but only after the admin assigns them as a manager to some group. 23 and 24 will allow the group manager to view all groups within the system, but manage the ones the admin assigned to him. If you select 26, a role can access all groups in the application and manage any group. However, if you want your group manager to create groups, select number 25. Once you have selected the permissions, you can grant a new role and click the Create button. A newly created role will be assigned a role code so that you can grant this role to users uploaded through an Excel file. Moreover, you can set the group manager's access to predefined reports in this tab. In addition to default system roles, we can see the User Group Manager, a role we have just added. You can assign a newly created role to any user by navigating to the Account Information tab in the application form within a user's profile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.